Hi folks, thanks for stopping by the channel. I've got two different videos on resetting and recalibrate your Whirlpool washer. Basically, this is where if you put electrical parts in and you want to recalibrate. You're going to turn your dial to the left, one complete turn, stop on rinse and spin, and then gradually go back to the right, one click at a time until you get to the heavy setting, then one click back, which is going to take you to super wash, and then one click back again to the right to the heavy setting. The light should start blinking. When it does, gradually move it to the right, one click at a time, and you'll see the lights on the bottom light up. Keep going until the rinse light lights up. Once the rinse light lights up, then you want to hit the start button, and it's going to start making noise and doing all kinds of wacky stuff. It's going to go through a recalibrate mode. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to 10 minutes or so. Just put it on, let it go until it finishes, and then after that you're pretty much ready to go. If this was any help to you, please pass it on to a friend, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate it.